It's biyahe moment na naman tayo mga guys. And today's upload is meron kaming pupuntahan. Itong aming paglakad mga guys is unplanned, so hindi kami pumlano nito, pero lumakad pa rin. For today's upload guys, this is Sir Jess and welcome to my channel. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos ko. Of course, thank you in advance na rin. So, pupunta pala kami ng Roxas City mga guys kasi meron kami doong pupuntahan at meron kaming importanteng mga bibilhin which is our necessities. At hapon pala kami dyan umalis mga guys kasi nung umaga is umuulan. Grabe yung ulan guys. Sa hapon lang talaga tumila and we decided na lumarga na. Then, we are in the middle of our travel and tinatanong ko dyan si wifey kung ano yung mga bibilhin namin. So, syempre, this is our first time so wala kaming ideya kung ano yung mga bibilhin dapat namin. Pero one thing na alam ko is when we are there, alam na namin kung ano yung dapat namin bilhin and magkakaroon kami ng ideya doon. Kasi pag dito kami sa car, iba-iba kasi yung naisip namin na bilhin. Kaya it's good na doon na kami mag-think para mabili namin agad. At malay natin baka meron pang makatulong sa amin. O diba? Pati kaming dalawa dyan ay tawang-tawa sa aming mga naiisip. Basta mainam na nandoon na talaga. So, fast forward na natin mga guys. Pagdating namin dito sa Roxas City is pumunta kami kaagad sa Jollibee kung saan ang saya ay bida. So, kumain muna kami dito kasi sabi ni wifey nagugutom daw siya. So, syempre sasabayan ko siya kasi gutom na rin ang driver. Then, after namin kumain mga guys, proceed na kami dito. At dito kami namili ng aming mga kakailanganin. At kung napansin nyo guys, bakit meron ng laman yung aming basket is meron kasing tumulong sa amin na experienciado. So she knows the things what we are describing. So it is obvious that she has an experience. So ito pala yung mga needs namin mga guys. So buti na lang and we are also lucky na yung sawa ng kapatid ni Mrs. ay merong mga naitabi na mga damit na gagamitin din namin. Aside from that, yung aming assistants is very knowledgeable then when it comes of these things. Kaya napabilis yung aming pagpili at pagsha-shopping. Then after the gather of these stuffs, guys, we're going to pay na. But we are not sure if this is complete, but at least we have bought some things. Pupunan na lang namin yung iba pang mga kulang if in case that there is scarcity. So ayan mga guys, it's payment time na ng ating mga napamili. Then after we had paid, kinarga ko na yung mga stuffs and then we're going to look for the dress of my wifey. So gagamitin niya yun sa, alright, so after namin doon sa itaas, we're going to go grocery kung saan bibili kami ng mga foods na kakailanganin namin sa kanilang bahay. At the same time, mga kakainin na rin. Then we add some things of what we bought in the second floor here at the ground floor. Because there are availabilities here. See, kung makikita mo na yung mga products, you can able to think kung ano yung dapat mga bilhin. Nag-i-enjoy din pala kami dito mga guys ni wifey sa pagpili ng aming mga bibilhin. We shared our laughters that we don't know what we are going to buy here in Roxas City. So these are the stuffs that what we bought here in the ground floor to add in the things we bought earlier. Now we're going to buy things of wifey. So fast forward na natin, ito na yung mga napamili namin and we are ready to pay for it now. And while we are having our grocery here guys, there are a lot of people having their groceries too. O diba mga guys, napakarami. Alright mga guys, so kami na yung next in line. So, babayaran na ni wifey yung aming mga pinamili so that we can go home early because we're going to do something which is salad. After the grocery and shopping, we decided to go home. Alright. And then, meron kaming pinuntahan kung saan merong nagbibenta ng mga mais and then we stop over to buy. Their corn is very sweet and very soft and of course, delicious. Alright mga guys, that's the wrap and thank you for watching my videos. Take care and see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye mga guys!